So what's up friends, so it's Prosper here again, and here's another tutorial video. In this tutorial video I'm about to show you guys is how you can build an e-commerce website easily. So yeah, you hear that right, e-commerce website easily. So this website is a top-notch project, and it contains all the feature of a modern e-commerce website, right from the mailing system, the add to cart system, the design, the add to compare, add to wish list, add to cart. So everything is right here. So as you can see, a very beautiful design. So it has the today's deal categories. So you can see on some of the categories, it pops them out. So you can actually have a lot. So I just have some few content right here just to ensure I bring it to you guys. So assuming, let's click on any of our products. So as you can see, the product page. So these are shop page. So in our shop page, as you can see, we have the quantity increment bar, we have the price and the discount price. You can also message seller. So in this project, or in this platform rather, as a customer you can also be a seller. So a seller can come right here into your store and also sell products in your store, but the credit to come to you, then you settle the seller. Like, so we have already raising the price, maybe you want to sell it for $1,000, and you can say, okay, you can sell it on my store for $1,100. So once the product is sold, you as the store owner, you have $100 to yourself, and the seller has his $1,000. You get? So it's a very functioning project. So let's quickly buy something right here. So we see the processing, and the next thing we're going to do next is to move straight to the back end as the administrator and put some other content and edit, format, do a lot of things that will be very nice. So at same, this is just like a WordPress e-commerce website. A lot of people use WordPress for e-commerce website, but most people are saying, I don't want to build an e-commerce website for a client using WordPress because submitting is very hectic operating e-commerce website using WordPress by whomsoever you are building it for. They find it very difficult in operating. So we've made it in such a way that it can be a script whereby you don't need to log into your WordPress dashboard before you can make edits. You can actually have your own admin in this site, just like if I should move right here to where it is. As you can see, PNGs, that is the domain/admin. So this is admin backend. As you can see, this is admin backend. So it's not like the WordPress type. So this is more nicer. Okay, the session have expired, so I need to log in back. So this is the admin backend, and you can see a lot of setup you can do right here. So heading back to where we are, so let's buy a product. So you can zoom around the products, so it's highly functional. So next thing I'm going to do right here, I'm going to click on buy now. So it has a pop-up, as you can see, item added to your cart. This is top notch. So the next thing I'm going to do right here, click to continue to shopping. So we're buying 2 quantity. So at same, we can say so you can also add address. So let's also want to add an address. So this is where you're going to add the address as a new user. So let's just add a very short address. Let's say 68, Marina, Lagos Island, Lagos Island. So let's have that. Then let's select country. So you can just search out, and in this it has all countries. Are you getting it? all countries, all cities, all states. So this is highly powerful. It's also have, as you can see right here, so let's type in Nigeria. Even all currency, it supports all currency. So in Nigeria, it's automatically going to browse out the state we have in Nigeria. So let me say for the states, I want Lagos. Okay, so for the states, let's see. Okay, our data. So this thing browses it automatically. So we are having network. Let me quickly see why the network isn't connected. So I was surprised when it didn't prompt out the states in Nigeria. So let's quickly see to that. Okay, let's still wait for the next one. I know I did this video. Will there be a problem? So the next thing we're going to do, so I already have two address right here, so you can just choose. Okay, let's say you want to add a new address. So I'm showing this as a tutorial how you can also use this software. So next thing you're going to do, let's put in our address. So let's say we are at 123 Marina Lagos Island. So let's see what country. So let's say Nigeria. So let's see the states. So let's see Lagos State. So it's Lagos. So what city? So you can see it automatically browse out all of these. So it's an automated and modern functioning software. So let's say we're taking Apapa for example, or let's take Lagos Island. We say Lagos Island, right? Let's see, let's just take Lagos itself. Then postal code, let's just take something easier. Two, three, three. Okay, so a number, let's just take any number right here. So let's just click on save. So I've added another address, so we're using this address for the sake of this tutorial. So next I'm going to click on continue to delivery info. So delivery info, so how do you want it to be delivered? So I want it a home delivery. So you can also choose a lot of delivery type. You can say nearest bus stop, you know, those delivery types. So delivered to my home, yes, I want that, so I'll click on continue to payment. So right here you can add additional info. So I can see in my additional info, I want my newly purchased iPhone to be in a perfect condition, full stop, else bum, bum, bum. Okay, so let's see guys. So next thing, we want to select our payment option. We want to do a select our payment method. So in this case I want cash on delivery, so I check that. You can check any payment method you want. So this system also has a numerous payment method, your perfect pay, your PayPal, your PayMe, your CoinMe, a lot of payment methods right here. So next I'm going to do right here, I'm going to check on I agree to the terms and policy. So next I'm going to complete order. So once I've completed the order, so let's see what's going to do next. So it says thank you for your order, a copy of your order summary has been sent to your email. So soonest we'll be having the email sent to us. So the emailing settings is perfect, a very nice SMTP setup, and it goes promptly. So at the same time we have our order code. So these are order codes which you can use in tracking our item. So this is summary of everything. So let's quickly check our mail if it's dropped. So we're going to refresh. Okay, it was this. So the time is 6:11 p.m. so this should be 6:10 p.m. So let's see. So what's our order code? This is the order code. So what did we buy? So as you can see, it's brought our logo. I see it's very perfect, extremely nice project that you should quickly get on time, because everybody needs this for your small business. You want to do a small business, you have a shop, you want to sell online, instead of having a time to learn about WordPress, you can just get this project and you edit it to be for your store. So at the same time you can also hire me to be your developer. I'm going to build you a very nice project, as you have seen, and possibly more better than this project. Okay, so send to our email, the order number, our phone, bill to, yes, my name Rick Prosper, as you can see, the address, the email, the phone number. So what did I buy? I bought an iPhone 14 Pro Max, quantity 2. So my total payment was $2,300, and grand total is that. So everything was sent to my mail. So quickly, let's see. So we've done that. So what else can we say about here? So this is my, you, before you purchase anything on this site, first you must create an account. So you have your own dashboard in which you can use in tracking every of your product that you bought. It also have the support tickets, the manage profile, delete my account, purchase history, I getting it, downloads, wish list, compare, conversion, etc, etc. So let's say our purchase history. So in our purchase history, we've gotten 3. So unpaid yet, unpaid yet, unpaid yet. So the admin will be the one handling all of this portfolio in ensuring the customer gets their product and checking it that yes, the customer has paid and the delivery is successful. So for now everything still lies on pending. So let's go to the downloads. So I haven't downloaded anything. Let's say a wish list. So we have this in our wish list, right? So you can, from your wish list, you can add to cart and check out. So in case you are buying something on the site and you don't actually have money to buy that time and you love the product, you can actually add it to your wish list. Then when you are buoyant enough and you have more money, you can just get it, just go to your wish list and buy what you've already added there. So let's see our compare. Okay, our compare is actually empty right now. We haven't compared anything much. So let's see our conversion, a conversation. Okay, we haven't converted. Let's see our support tickets. So for the support tickets, you can create a ticket, right? You create a ticket, and so let's see the subject. Let's say haven't I haven't gotten I haven't gotten my order. So I haven't gotten my order. So let me just copy this again. So please provide us a description. Okay, then you can actually upload a photo. So from your own user end, you can have a dashboard of where you can upload what you want on the site. You can see this is actually my system file manager. This is a file manager in the site. So from here I can now click on upload new. Then from here I can now browse my system file manager. So I can browse my system file manager from here, and I just pick any image I want. So let me click on pictures. Let me say echo right here, and let me just say I picked up this one. So next thing I'm going to do, let me just say I want to add this file. Okay, then I'll click on select file right here. I'll select the file and I add. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to send ticket. So the admin is going to see the ticket I've sent, so they're going to reply to it, right? So then you can also see manage profile right here from the user side. So the user can manage his profile, see everything about his details on the site. So this is the name, this is the, so you can also upload a picture. So you have a profile picture, your password, you can do all of that, right? So that's pretty much of what we can see here. So we can see our wish list right here. You can also log out, you can check your notifications. So let's see our notifications. So it shows the orders we've placed of recent and much more. So let's quickly go back to the home page. Let's see if we can actually set a range of price. Okay, that is filtering price. Let's see if this project has what we call filtering price. Okay, yes, we can range our price. I can say I want to filter the price from this to this, and it will bring out the products that are of that price, right? So you can also filter size. But we haven't set those variations of products, such as color of products, size of products, you get, and even the property of a product also. So here we have the category as a sidebar, the price range sidebar, filtering of size at the sidebar also. So let's quickly do some works from the admin side. So next thing I'm going to do right here, I'll head up to where I have my admin logged in. So my admin is logged in right here. So this is my admin end. So let me log out and log in back. So don't be conscious about the background image, because if you look at this logo, it is a long logo. So if you want to set this background image, I'm going to show you where you can set it. You will get by 4:3 image size, and it will just fit to display. So I'll quickly log in right here. So that's my login. So you can set your login to any of the credential you want. So first thing, this is a dashboard right here. You can see our dashboard is beautiful. So you can see category of wise product sale, category of wise product stock. So you can also see products, sellers. So we have the products section. Under the product section, we have the new product, all products, in-house products, sellers products. So sellers can also sell on your site, and this is wonderful. This is what AliExpress does. They allow sellers, even Konga, many more. So they allow people to sell on their platform. They get their commission. So it's very, very nice. So seller will create an account and upload his or her product and start selling in our platform. So under it, we have digital product, we have bulk import, bulk export, category, brand, attributes, colors, and product review. Under the product section, we have the sales. So under the sales, we have all orders, in-house orders, sellers orders, pickup point orders. So we also have the customer. So list of customer that we have, sellers, all sellers, payout request, sellers commission, sellers verification form. So for this is, as you can see, this is very, very explanatory just with their names. So we're going to touch each and every one of them. Hopefully we do in this project. So let's see, for the report we have the in-house product sale, sellers product sale, product stock, product wish list, user search, commission history, wallet recharge history. So users can actually fund their wallet in this site. Wow, this is awesome. So the user can have a wallet where they can fund their wallet, so they don't need to actually buy from their bank direct. They can fund their wallet and from their wallet buy in the same platform. So they can have a wallet in the platform and buy with a wallet in the platform. This is what a lot of businesses does. Even Facebook, if you want to run ads, you fund your account. From your account you can be running your ads. Okay, so let's see, we have the blog system. So that is where we create posts and we upload posts. So let's go. So for the marketing, flash deal. So for the marketing, we have the flash deal, newsletter, subscribers. So for the support, as you can see, we have one ticket, the one we just newly sent. So the ticket, so let's open up the ticket and see. So as you can see the ticket, we can view the details of the ticket and also reply to the ticket. As you can see, this was the image the person sent, so we can download it and view it, right? Yes. So this is the name of the person. So let's see the subject. I haven't gotten my orders, so you can actually write and send back to the person, upload, and from here you can say submit as solved, submit as opened, right? So that is really okay. Let's just reply it so that it's complete. So let's say we have your order tomorrow. You have your order tomorrow. So we want to send the user the order iPhone 14 Pro abi. So let's just select this and send it to him. This is your phone. So let's say we take submit as open, submit as solved. Okay, so submit as pending. So let's submit as open, so that has been sent, or submit as solved, anyone you wish. So product conversation, so people can conversate with product on the site. So once they conversate with products on the site, those ones that they conversate with the sellers, The admin can be reading the conversations sellers and uh, customers are having on your site. So this is a very powerful and functioning project. So you can actually get this project by reaching me. My number will be somewhere in the description of this video. Once you get it, chat me up and you get it at a very fair rate, right? So the next thing we're going to do right here is going to move to the website setup. So we can do our setup on our header, our footer page, our appearance. So let's quickly look at the header. So for the header, you can see header logo. You can select the header logo and show language switcher. So any person in any part of the world can use your site, can buy on your site. If you are from China, if you are Chinese, from your Chinese company, you can switch your language and everything on the site will be converted to Chinese language. If you are from Portugal, you speak Spanish, you switch to the Spanish translation. Every content on the site will be translated to Spanish, as English is already the standard and default language. So you can also switch your currency. So show your currency switcher, enables sticky header. So this is awesome. This is extremely what awesome. So our header logo, so let's see, let's put something on our header logo. So we have a logo right here. So this is our logo. So let's add it. So top bar banner, so let's add a top bar banner. So let's assume we're selling gadgets. So let's see what looks like a banner right here. Let's just take this set of iPhone 14s. Okay, let's have that. Then top bar banner link, so where do you want to link it to? Okay, let's just want to link it to the same. Anytime they click on it, you should do what? Okay, you should just still refer them back to the site again. So let's copy our site link and let's paste it right here. So next thing, helpline number. So I'm gonna put my number right here real quick. So let me say this is my number. Okay, so from here, so our header nav bar, so the domain, so the flash sale, the blog. So from here, look at this link right here, these links. So the links, let's say, look at this home. As you can see, this our top bar menu. So if you click on home, it takes us to, let's wait, it takes us to another site, right? So it takes us to this site. So we don't actually want that. We want it to refer us back to our site, right? We want it to refer us back to our site. So we're going to copy our site right here and we're going to paste it right here. So for flash sale, for blog, for brand, you're going to do same thing for all. You're going to do same thing for all. So we're going to do same thing for all. So we're going to go straight to the pages and ensure we have the correct link. So this is just actually a forged link, but this one is correct. We don't know if the pages are of this link. So let's just, okay, so that's all for here. So let's update this and let's check it out if it works. So that has been saved. So let's quickly go back right here. So let's click on the home, let's hard refresh, Ctrl F5. Ctrl F5. Okay, so we don't need that. We really don't need that. So let's take this out. We're taking this out. So let's save it again. So let's head back right here. Now let's add refresh. Okay, so let's click on home. Now we click on home, bring us back to our home. So that is Monizer, so it's going to work for every of the others. So heading back to our admin right here. So we've done for the header, so let's move to the footer. So let's move to the footer. So for the address, so we want to give it an address, so let's give it our mail address. So I actually want to also be receiving mail on this link in our web mail, so you can also convert. Okay, so the support ticket that we created is we just receive the mail of it, so everything works extremely perfectly in this project. So our contact phone number, let's see, our contact phone number, so it's supposed to be 66 35 90 74. Okay, so these are, so let's take this one. We will think you okay, contact address, so this will be your address, like let's say 4 comma maje, okay, let's say jeko kami comma street comma Ikoyi, Lagos. So Jeko Komi Street, Ikoyi, Lagos. So about us, so we can write about us right here. So we can say we are PNG's best sales point in Africa, full stop. Buy and sell with us. Buy and sell with us. So just want something short. So our Play Store link, so you can, if you have your Play Store, your Apple Store, so you have your mobile phone and your iOS mobile app, your Android mobile app, so you can put the link right here, and once they click on, you're going to direct them together. You're going to download the app. So we can, okay, I'll be making another video with that. I'll be making another video on how you can convert your website to a mobile app. Yes, you heard that right. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that real quick. So let's come right here and let's update what we have here. Okay, so that has been updated. So link we widget 1, title translate, add new. Okay, so you can figure out that. So let's see to the pages. Let's see the pages we have, so we can just quickly edit it in our header. So for the pages we have, so you have the seller, the return, the support, the ticket. So you can also add new page, create new page, right? You can also create new page. So let's click on add new page. So let's see how it goes. So we have the title, the link of the page. So we can say flash sales. So we can call this flash sales, right? So let's flash, so the s should come after. Okay, flash sales. So the slug will be flash 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 hyphen sales. So flash hyphen sales. So the content, you put in the content, the meta title, meta description, and we save. So let's see, add content. So what content you want to give it? You can say black Friday is here again. Come on, buy all your favorite items at a very low discount price, comma, as low as 50% discount. As low as 50% discount. Okay, so let's have that. So next I'm going to do right here for search engine optimization. So we can say flash sales. You can say flash sales, so description, get your iPhones, comma, gaming computers and Samsung phones today. So keyword, what are the keywords? So what are the keywords? So we can say the keywords that we have. So we can say iPhone should be one of our keywords. You can say Samsung, comma, you can say flash sales, comma, iPhones as a flash sales gaming computer. Say laptops, etc. So you can add as much as you want when it's your turn. So let's put a meta image. So what image should we use in a meta? So you can create a pixmix, and create a pixmix of image and have that. So I want to save this page. So we've created a page. So what is the page link? So this is the page link, right? So this is the page link. So I can copy this real quick and come back to our header. So let's paste it for that flash sale. So let's come down right here for flash sales. Okay, it's actually flash deal. Let's just say all join. So let's update that. So you create for all of this and come and insert it and even create more and more. So we go for page. So let's move to appearance. So click on appearance. So for general appearance, so we say the for the front end website name. So if you are browsing it just like as you have it here at the top, the site title. So as you can see, sales points. So sales points, best e-commerce. So if it's loading up for the first time, if you are loading it in a empty dashboard, as you can see, yes, look at it, best e-commerce, and the as you can see, so you understand now. So that's actually it. So this are site icon, favicon also. So website based color, so this is the color we're using. Then for the search engine optimization for global, that is worldwide search engine optimization. So we have sales points, basic commerce, the rest and the rest. So come to cookies, for accepting cookies, accept cookies for better experience, show cookies agreement, yes. So we've updated that. Website pop-up, so our site can actually give out pop-up. So for the pop-up content, you can put it here. So I can say PNG's sales. So I can say welcome to PNG sales marketplace. So you can have it that way. So you can put a full stop right there. So next we can do is show subscriber form, yes, for the pop-up. So you can also create a custom for the header part. You can create a custom script. Are you getting it? For the footer also you can create a custom script. So everything here is extremely editable, functional, so good. So quickly DM me and get this as you are seeing it right here. You're gonna need it for yourself, for clients, and for that. So next we're going to do for setup and configuration. So that setup and configuration we have, let me quickly. So we have the general settings, the features activation, the languages, currency, VAT and tax, that is value added tax and tax itself, pickup points, SMTP. So let's just check the SMTP real quick. For the SMTP, so this is how I set my SMTP. So what type I'm sending mail, so you can choose. You can also click on SMTP and set it just like this. It will also work. I also have Mailgun, so you can actually create an account with Mailgun and get the credential, the API key, or just the credentials, and insert it on the point that it will prompt out. So I'm using send mail for now. So the mail host is my site link, right? The domain of my site is the host. So the mail port will be 465, as you know. So the sales, so this is the username, this is the password, so the encryption SSL from email address, no reply. So instead of no reply, we can say PNG's trade. So we can save the configuration once more again, and once it's saved, so let's give a test. So let's send a test mail. And the mail has been sent, so let's quickly check that up. So let's go back. So this is support ticket that we have. Okay, so this the order will be received tomorrow, so we're yet to receive it. So when it comes, we'll be informed. So that is for the SMTP. So let's see for general settings. For general settings, so the system name is this, system logo, the system back logo, the time zone. You can use the time zone of your choice. London be school. You can also find, just choose, if you see West Africa or you see Lagos itself, so you can choose. So you can just go around till you see anyone that is closer to you. Okay, admin login background image. Okay, this is the admin login background image that I told you of. So let's change it. Let's change it to something more nicer. So let's use this dark surface type. So that's what we're going to use. So let's update that real quick. So the next one I want to do right here is, let's see, for languages, let's see features activation. So we have just few features activated. Wallet system activation, so we can have email verification if you want your users to, so HTTP activation, you can have that on. That is, it should be the first HTTPS. Maintenance mode activation, if you check this, it will be currently your site is under maintenance. Disable image encoding. So for business related, we have vendor system activation, classified product, wallet system activation, coupon system activation, pickup point activation, conversion activation. You will need to set up your SMTP correctly to enable these features. Configure now. So email verification, as you can see, so seller products managed by admin, so you can actually activate that too. Admin approval on seller products, that is, before any person can sell on your platform, you must approve the person. So the person needs to submit some credentials for authentication. Product query activation, PayPal payment activation, Stripe payment activation, Razor, Instamo, SSL, Paystack, Vogo. Oh my god, see a lot. Cash payment activation, so this one is activated, is cash on delivery. Authorized net activation, so a lot. Then for the social media login, Facebook login, Google login, Twitter login, Apple login, so you can use any of these to create an account on this site. So this is awesome. This is so awesome. This is extremely awesome. This is fantastic. So the next thing we're going to move right here, we come to the language. Everything works perfectly. Okay, let's just quickly do just one feature of it. Let's do a feature of it. So let's move to the email verification. So if the person register, so let's choose the SMTP settings. So everything is in there. So let's say configuration again for SMTP. So that has been set for SMTP. So let's see for send mail. Let's also activate this one. So let's take the SMTP again and let's activate it. So let's click cage. Then let's set configuration again. So then let's send the text mail. So let's send the text mail. Okay, so let's quickly head back to where we are. So we're at languages. So let's see for the languages aspect. So you can create a new language, right? You can create a new language. So you can set default language, import app translation, can see. So let's add a new language. Let's see what it takes to add a new language. So the name, let's say what, Persian. Persian. So let's look for the Persian. Persian should start from P now. I don't know. So let's say be Japan, Abi. So let's call it Japan. JP. Japan. So that is for Japan. So we'll call this JP again. JP. So I've set that. So the languages are numerous. So let's move further. So for the currency also, you can add as much currency that you want. So you can set the default currency. I can say I want my default currency to be Naira. Let's see. Let's check out for Naira. Okay. So we need to add set currency format, default currency. So this is Naira. So let's put the status active. So let's check it right here again. So let's see. We should have Naira here. If we do not, then we're going to hard refresh. So let's hard refresh. Okay, so let's check for Naira right here. So we have Naira right here, right? So you can set Naira as your default currency. So actually I've set that before. So let's proceed downwards over that. SMTP payment method. So you can also set your payment methods, file system and cache configuration, and the rest staffs. So you can create staffs, under staffs, all staff permission. So the things staff can be able to do. So let's move straight to the product aspect. So let's see we want to create a new product. So I want to create a new product, and let's say for the product, let's say we create MacBook Air Pro. So it's laptop, what brand? So let's say brand 1. So let's say it's pieces, right? So the weight is about 0.05, and minimum purchase quantity 1. They can be able to. So let's say this is what laptop Mac, Apple laptop. Yes, gaming computers, etc. So product image. So let's see the product image. So product image. So let's take this Mac. So the product thumbnail, also take this Mac. Then for the products So YouTube, so if you have a YouTube video, okay, let's just say, let's call this MacBook Pro, Abby. MacBook Air. So you can just copy this boy's video right here, click on share, go click on share.
What's up? I'm KBHD here, and welcome to the 15-inch MacBook Air review. This laptop, thankfully, is exactly what you think it is. It's a MacBook Air.
So copy the link,
But bigger. This is the Tesla Model Y of laptops. You see, the Tesla Model 3 was the most important model for Tesla. They had other more expensive flagships, but...
So let's head right back straight. So the video link, paste it right here. So product variation, so you can set product variation. My battery is getting low, so let's see unit price. So this is about $1,500. So date of discount from 1st to 18th. So I select that for discount. So how much am I discounting? I'm discounting just $100. So that is flat. So quantity, I have about 59 quantity. SKU, what is SKU? So you just figure out what SKU is. So external link, so just leave that one blank. So description, so let's just take the title for our description. So it's what? MacBook Air Pro. I'll be M1, I'll be M2 safe. So insert that for the description. So we can just put and say is the best Apple gaming computer. Then SEO, search engine description. So let's take a meta image that will go along with the online property. Okay, let's take this and put it for the description here. So let's update this product. So save and publish. Oh, we should have checked some other things right here. So we can actually do that from here. So this can put in today's deal, can also put in featured. So that's for the product. So let's go back to our site right here and let's add refresh and see the changes we have on our site. So at the same time, another tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create an e-commerce website using the WordPress. So this is the message, welcome to PNG's marketplace. So that's nice. Let's decrease this. Okay, so let's use 50. So this is nice. So let's see flash sale. Okay, our Black Friday is here again. Wow, that's nice. So Jeko Komi Street is okay. Nice. We are the best sales point in Africa. Buy and sell with us. Nice. So click on home. So let's go back home. So nice. So you can change our currency right here to the currency we want. You can also change our language right here. So this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. So let's quickly show how we can get this project done. So the first thing we're going to do, so first thing we need is we need a hosting and a domain. So we need a hosting and a domain. So I highly recommend you using Namecheap. That is if you are working for a legit, you can see right here this is suspended to prevent abuse. I've not used this, I just registered them. I won't use them, they just suspend the PIN. So you only go to Namecheap when you want to do a legit business. If your business is not registered, please don't have it on Namecheap. They are going to leave you with a regret, as they've been leaving me with a lot of regret. So you come right here and you search for your domain. Once you've logged in, you come right here and search for your domain that you want. So I can say sales point, so sales point, so search beast mode. So you just search that out. So once you search it out, you check if it's available. So if it's available, you can go ahead and purchase it. So you can go ahead and purchase it. So the best way to go about it, first you click on hosting, move to shared hosting, go to shared hosting, you select the hosting plan that you want. So let me assume I'm going for this first. I'll click on get started. So it's going to prompt me here. So this is where you should get your domain. So search your domain here. They are going to give a lot of discount. So let me say I'm using sales points. So searching it out for me. So it's going to show me that it's available. Then I'm going to, from here, you can see is about what, $9, right? That is about $10. So if I connect to Zoom, 10 is supposed to make it 32. Okay, they actually didn't give me discount. That is not so good. New domain is now 5 points. Wow. Initially they always remove $4. So from there you just add to cart. So at least $32 is not much to set up a site. Just $33. That is about 20, almost 19 or 17k. Okay, so from here you just, everything is okay from here. Everything is okay from here. You just confirm order. So once you've confirmed the order, so I need to sign up. So it's actually pay now. So I just click on pay now to pay now. So I'm not paying anything now, I'm not buying. So as you can see, so I already have my payment method. So you just click on payment, you click on as you agree, you have read all the terms and conditions, you click on pay now. So once you've done that, the next thing that's going to happen is you're going to be, you head straight to your dashboard. Your dashboard will be opened. So once your dashboard is opened, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your cPanel. So you head straight to your cPanel and you're going to load up the file. Yes, so you can contact me to get this project at a very fair price, as you can see. So chat me up on WhatsApp. I haven't configured some of my payment scheme where you can just automatically pay. So I will come right here to File Manager, right? I'll come right here to my File Manager. So for you, if you're just getting this, you're just getting a new hosting and a domain, where you'll be going is to your public_html. You'll be coming right here to